Are you encountering an error message like this when opening Adobe Premiere Pro? Don't worry, it's most likely a driver issue. In most cases, it won't affect your project, and you can simply click Continue with known issues to proceed into Premiere Pro without any problems. However, if you want to fix this issue for good, you'll need to update your graphics driver. Let me show you how to do that. First, right-click on this PC icon and select Show More Options. This will bring up a menu where you'll click on Manage. In the window that opens, look to the left side and select Device Manager. Next, find Display Adapters and click the small arrow to expand the list. You'll see your current display adapter. Right-click on it and choose Update Driver. Here, you can select the automatic option to let Windows detect and update the driver from the internet. This should resolve the issue. If the problem persists, you may need to manually update the driver by downloading the latest version from the manufacturer's website. Even after updating, you might still see the error message occasionally when launching Premiere Pro. But don't worry, your project should run just fine. If you'd like to hide that message during startup, we've covered that in another video, which you can find linked in the description below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.